BMW X3M in for stage 2 when we got the car and took some videos of the exhaust from the outside. It was literally like a Hoover, really quiet. So we'll get some sound clips of this when it's done as well. Nice interior, man, carbon, nice wheel. We've utilized boot mode on this and done some custom Burble settings on it. So right now it's currently in efficiency mode. Signs nice and OEM. Now we've got a few more settings in sport. So this is half of what is in Sport Plus and a shorter duration we've used. So just to give you an idea. Sounds sick in just sport, but we've gone that little bit extra in Sport Plus, and yeah. It's coming on now, it's coming on. So you got two settings. You got one in sport, which is not as aggressive as Sport Plus. Yeah, Sport Plus is like a lot more aggressive and it'll go on for longer. So